Hi. Screen recording on iPhone 11 is very easy, like on any other iPhone or iOS devices. First, let's make sure that you have the screen recording button here in control center. You can see the control center by swiping down from the top of your iPhone display. As you can see, currently there's no any record button here. So let's go to the settings of the phone, and in the settings, if you scroll over here, you'll see a menu called control center. Just go over there and add screen recording to the available options here. So I'll just choose screen recording, and screen recording has just been added. And also you can just rearrange these options over here. So if I go back and pull down my control center, there's one new button here. So I can do screen recording just by tapping this button. So let me show you. If you keep on tapping here, it will show you some couple of options, like where the video or the screen record is going to be saved, and then if you want to record the microphone or no. So just tap on start recording, and then it will start screen capturing your iPhone's display. Once you are done, you can swipe down the control center and tap again the screen recording button to stop, or simply just tap on this red display, timer display over here, and it asks if you want to stop the recording, and just say yes, and then it will be saved to our phone's gallery. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.